Ray-Ban Stories, you can capture photos and videos, listen to music or podcasts, or take phone calls, all while staying in the moment and without even taking out your phone. Whether you're on a hike, cooking, or just hanging out or playing outside with your kids, you're going to be able to quickly capture that experience and share it if you want to. We also built in discrete open-ear speakers on the side of the frames to let you take calls or listen to music or podcasts from your glasses as you're moving throughout the day. You can save up to about 30 videos or 500 photos, and they are kept encrypted on your glasses.
Music and sound has always